Is your Rheem air conditioner not cooling your home effectively? Let's diagnose the issue step by step with the most common causes. First, check your thermostat settings. Ensure it's set to cool mode and the temperature is lower than the current room temperature. Also check the thermostat batteries, as low batteries can cause erratic behavior and prevent proper cooling operation. A common culprit is restricted airflow. Check your air filter. It should be replaced or cleaned every 1 to 3 months. Dirty filters make your system work much harder and can lead to frozen evaporator coils, significantly reducing cooling efficiency. Make sure all vents are open and not blocked by furniture, curtains, or other objects that could restrict airflow. Head outside and inspect your condenser unit. Remove any leaves, dirt, and debris from around the unit. Trim shrubs and plants to allow at least 2 feet of clearance around the unit for proper airflow and heat dissipation. These simple diagnostic checks can often resolve cooling problems. Proper airflow is essential for efficient AC operation. If these basic checks don't resolve the issue, it's time to move on to more advanced troubleshooting or contact a professional. If basic checks don't solve your Rheem AC cooling problem, there are several easy fixes you can try yourself before calling a professional. First, let's look at 2 simple maintenance tasks you can perform safely at home. Clean the outdoor unit's coils using a low-pressure hose, coil cleaner, and a coil brush. Dirty coils reduce your system's ability to remove heat effectively. Check the condensate drain line for clogs. A full drain pan can trigger a safety switch that shuts down your entire unit. However, some problems require professional expertise and should not be attempted as DIY repairs. Call an HVAC technician if you notice refrigerant leaks, which show as low cooling performance or ice formation on coils. Also call for unusual noises, electrical problems, or compressor issues. Faulty capacitors and other electrical components require specialized knowledge and tools to diagnose and repair safely. The best approach is prevention through regular maintenance and professional tune-ups. Annual tune-ups by qualified technicians can prevent many issues and extend your Rheem AC's life. Regular maintenance, like replacing air filters and keeping the outdoor unit clean, is essential for efficient cooling. Remember, proper maintenance prevents costly repairs and keeps your air conditioning system running efficiently for years to come.